Hi, and welcome to E3 Strength. My name is Earl, and today we're going to be reviewing hip health. Your hips are one of the limiting factors when doing compound lifts like the squat and the deadlift, which are going to help you guys get great results in the gym. So let's unlock those hips. We're going to start with 3 basic stretches, and what you need to remember is HIP, H-I-P. It stands for hamstring, inner thigh, and piriformis. Let's start with your hamstring stretch using a 41-inch circular red band, which you'll find in the link in the description below. So lying flat on your back, we're gonna mobilize the hamstring. It's easy to do. You're just gonna swing up and down, pushing down the resistance and letting it launch your foot toward the ceiling. After 5 to 10 of these, you're gonna hold with a slight bend in the knee, so you're getting a stretch in the muscle, but also the connective tissue behind the knee without putting too much stress back here. After 20 seconds, which is your minimum stretch hold time, you're gonna open, stretching the sartorius, which is a hip flexing muscle that runs from the iliac crest of the pelvis all the way down to the tibia in the lower leg. This is one of the areas that you may feel tight or painful when you first start having friction in your hip. After 20 seconds in this position, keeping both shoulders down, you're gonna cross this over and stretch your piriformis. The piriformis is a muscle deep inside the hip that your sciatic nerve runs through. So if you've ever had sciatic nerve pain or know someone who has, you understand that this is a very important stretch to just generally feel good. Once you've held this for 20 seconds, again, keeping both shoulders down. If you happen to get to a point where your shoulder comes up, make sure to go back to where it's down, and that's your max range of motion. Once you've got that, you've got the basis to unlocking your hips. Now this is just a start. There's plenty of other things we can hit, like the psoas, iliopsoas, and other stretches. So look forward to those in upcoming videos.